over on CarYard Cars. Something quite special here today that I just thought we'd do a wee walk around of, just so we can highlight the overall condition of the car, give you a little bit more of an insight over the photos supplied. This is a 2000 model Holden Commodore Clubsport HSV R8 in the blue, sitting on a set of Simmons replica wheels. They're a staggered 20-inch, slightly different offsets front and rear, which give it that more aggressive look. I'll just go for a wee walk around the car just to highlight the overall condition for you. So for a 26-year-old car, paintwork's in good order, shines up well, presents well. Both sides of the car are pretty straight and tidy. Up onto the roof, there's a few stone chips with a little bit of spidering, but definitely not too far gone as such, but definitely still in very good usable condition. Passenger front of the car, door cards tidy, dash is in good nick, steering wheel's good, has a little bit of wear as you'd expect. Driver's side seat has a little bit of wear, again in keeping with the age of mileage. It's got the HSV deep wraparound buckets with the cool colour coded, colour matched fabric inserts. Into the back seat, same again, door cards in good condition. Back of the seats, these Commodores always get a little bit bashed back here unfortunately, so the driver's side one is coming a little bit loose. Back seat's in good order, no rips or tears on the back seat. Freshly tinted windows, they were tinted before but we just re-tinted them. Round at the back of the car, it's got a nice exhaust note, really opens up when you put your foot down. Don't encourage you to do that of course, but it is there if you need it, and these things can boggy. Onto the driver's side again, nice and straight down the panels. Back side, driver's side door card, it's good. Headlining's good. And we're back onto that back seat again. Up into the cockpit. Starts well, runs well. Gearbox feels like it might have a little bit of a shift kit in it in the way it shifts. Go up to the engine and show you where all the action is. So into the engine bay, it's had these LS1 engine covers, which somebody's very stylishly matched to the outside of the body. It's got an X-Air cold air induction box. Looks to have aftermarket headers on it. And this car is build number 2366, built on the 10th of the 8th, 2000. Definitely a stylish bit of kit.